5 full-body dumbbell workouts. No gym? No issue. With this workout plan, a pair of dumbbells, and a small area at home, you can start building real muscle and strength throughout your entire body without ever leaving your house. Today, I've got 5 killer full-body dumbbell workouts you can do right at home, whether you're short on time, space, or just looking to level up your home training game. These moves are perfect if you want to build strength across your entire body, sculpt lean muscle, and torch fat, all with minimal equipment. These exercises are compound movements, meaning they hit multiple muscle groups at once, making them super effective for maximum gains in less time. 1. Dumbbell thrusters. This move combines a front squat with an overhead press. Start with dumbbells at shoulder height, squat deep, keeping your chest upright, then drive through your heels, and press the dumbbells overhead in one powerful movement. It builds explosive strength and torches calories, perfect for full body activation. 2. Renegade rows. Start in a push-up position holding dumbbells. Row one dumbbell up to your waist while stabilizing your core, then alternate sides. It improves pulling strength while challenging your stability and balance. 3. Dumbbell Romanian deadlifts. To shrug. Hold dumbbells in front of your thighs, lower slowly with a slight knee bend, keeping your back flat. As you rise, finish with a shoulder shrug. A combo move that hits the posterior chain and upper back, excellent for posture and strength. 4. Reverse lunges with bicep curl. Step one foot back into a lunge and curl the dumbbell simultaneously, return and switch legs. A time-saving move that builds coordination, balance, and muscle endurance. 5. Dumbbell Russian twists. Sit with your feet off the floor, holding one dumbbell with both hands, twist side to side, tapping the dumbbell near your hip each time. Finishes the workout with rotational core strength, helping you carve out a solid midsection. If you're just starting out, don't worry, you can modify these exercises. Use lighter dumbbells, limit the range of motion, or perform the moves more slowly. On the other hand, if you're more advanced, increase the dumbbell weight or add a tempo to increase time under tension. If you found this workout helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a powerful home workout. Until next time, stay strong, stay consistent, and keep moving forward.